Hello, today I'll be showing how to make a single chain bracelet. So you'll be needing rubber bands and this tray and a tool. So first off, you'll be using a rubber band and you're going to twist it and like put it on. Like that. And then you're going to use another color rubber band, or it can keep it the same, and push this down and put another one on the top. And by using the tool or using your hands, you pick up that bottom one and pick it up. Same thing on the other side. Like that. Push it down and then use the next color. Put it straight on the top. And then pick up that bottom. I'm gonna use my hands. Bottom, up, over. And push it down, and then you're gonna use the next color. Put it straight across. You take the bottom, over, push. You see, it's kind of getting up, see? As you see, it's chain bracelet. Okay, so now use blue again. Top, take the bottom, over that, blue, sorry, purple, and then purple, take the bottom, over, bottom, here, over, push it down, blue, over, bottom, like that. Same thing on the other side. See, it's going. And you keep on doing that until you get your wrist size. So you see, I'm gonna show you. You take this on the top, put it over, you take this, take a blue, straight across, over, push it down, straight across, over, push it down, take another, take that, take the bottom, over, see, it's getting over, like getting a single chain bracelet. And put purple, so on top, take the bottom, over, bottom, over, press, press, press. So if that happens, you just simply take this, put it over. So it's the same thing, and you just put it back on. See, if it just like pops off, like, let me show you. If it just plops off like that, you take back it again and put it on top. And now you take the color, put it on. See, it happens sometimes, which is okay. You just put it back on like that. Okay. So now you're just gonna keep on doing that. You put the purple on top, straight. Take the bottom over, the other side bottom over, push, push, push. You put it on top. Take that side bottom purple over, that side bottom purple over, push the blue. And put the purple on top. Now we're going to take the blue from the bottom. Same thing on the other side. Push, 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 push. So here's the tutorial, and now I hope it comes like this. To put the clip on, basically you take the clip and just grab. See the clip? Like that. So you basically use the end. You see that, say it's like this. See that hole? So you basically, it's kind of hard, but yeah, it's not that hard. It's just like, yeah. You stretch it out, and then you just slide it in. And then here, you take out this. So you be careful because these fall out easily.